Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your repost on TikTok. So here when I open up my TikTok app, you will see that I am on the home page and here are the TikToks. So if I want to repost this TikTok, for that I need to click on this share icon on the bottom and then click on repost. So here you can see that I have reposted this video. So what if you want to delete this repost? So here you can see that when I go to my profile, you will see that I have got no repost in any of the sections. So how can you delete that repost? For that you need to go to your home page and again go to that TikTok that you reposted and then again click on the share icon, and here you will see a remove repost button. You need to click on it and this will remove your repost. So what if you reposted a video 5 or 6 days ago? So you can't find by scrolling down that TikTok. So the trick here is to go to your profile and then click on the 3 lines on the top right and then click on settings and privacy. And here when you scroll down you will see your watch history, and here you need to find the TikTok that you reposted. So I remember that I reposted this video. I will click on it and then I will click on the share icon, and here you will see a remove repost button. If you remember that video, you can go in here and then click on the share icon, and there you will see a remove repost button. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next